Ooh, that's pretty. This palette is friggin' gorgeous. I know I want to use Fiddlehead, and I want to use Emerald City, and I want to use PNW, and I want to use Evergreen, and I want to use all of them. What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. This is my channel, and my name is Manders. We talk about makeup, skincare, sometimes we unbox things, and I almost always drop something. If you're interested in any of those things, make sure you stick around. You know the drill. We are doing an eyeshadow palette review today, and I have got to tell you, I have never been so excited to sit down and film something, and so nervous. This is the new Colourpop at Forest Sight RawBeautyKristi collaboration palette. I am super excited that I was able to get this. I wasn't able to order the whole collection, which I did want to do. However, I was able to get this and a highlighter. So we're gonna go get right into it. We're gonna do swatches, then we're gonna do an eye look. I'm not sure what I wanna do. I do know one thing though. This palette is friggin' gorgeous. Like, look at that, come on now. Was there ever a more perfect color story? Because I don't think so. I have people who don't even really have never engaged with my makeup portion of my Instagram that were like, I need that palette. Like, that color story is just perfect. And she's pregnant, she's expecting any day now, and it's so exciting to watch all of her updates. So I thought, you know what, we're gonna film this video, and we're gonna, maybe I'll tell you why she's one of the best YouTubers ever. We're gonna go in and we're gonna start swatching these. All right, so that's quite the pigment. Those look so nice. I'm really excited for this one right here. I'm excited for all of it. Okay, so before I go into anything, I want to talk about the color story. So there are so many different options for this palette, and that's what I like about it. That it is just, you can do a lot with it, and it's just such a pretty palette. Like, look at these colors. Come on. I'm so excited. I actually feel like I didn't want to film this video until I could show my real excitement. I did also order one highlighter, so we're going to use this. This is in the shade Mycelium. And it is, I'm just going to swatch it on my other hand. This is the very first highlighter I've ever bought from Colourpop, so I'm really excited to try it. It is their super, that's going to be really pretty. So excited right now. I can't, the packaging for this too, like, come on now. Oh, mushrooms. So fun. Congratulations, Kristi, on all of these things and on your pregnancy. It's so exciting to be able to get excited over makeup, because I know that there's a lot of releases all the time, and it's really hard to get excited over. Oh, I just don't know what I want to do. I have no idea which ones I want to use. I know I want to use Fiddlehead, and I want to use Emerald City, and I want to use PNW, and I want to use Evergreen, and I want to use all of them, because I want to use all of them. Oh, okay, we're going for it. We're going to just go in here. I'm taking a regular fluffy brush that I know I enjoy. I need a mirror. I held up the eyeshadow primer and didn't put it on my eyes. I'm ready yet. I'm using my e.l.f. putty primer in the shade Rose. I really like this primer. It is a great eyeshadow base, in my opinion. I'm going in with the shade Fiddlehead first. bad, not bad. Well done, RawBeautyKristi and Colourpop. Not upset. It's very cool toned. It's like an olive green. I like it. I love green eyeshadow. It's seriously my favorite. If I could just only ever wear one color of eyeshadow again, it would probably be green. Green, I find, is one of the hardest colors to work with. Not patchy though. Like it looks pretty decent. Now using a clean brush, I want to take the shade and I'm just taking that, oh, this is exactly what I wanted. This is Chanterelle. This is such a pretty mustard yellow. Very nice. And I am just pulling that just above that initial shade. These are really nice colors and they are blending together very easily. I'm going to go in with the shade Evergreen on a flat brush. Yeah, this is gonna be awesome. It's definitely not applying with a brush the way I want it to, so I'm going to use my finger. And holy smokes, man. That is pretty. I'm going to use my Fierce Flicks by Ciate London. I'm going to do a quick liner. This is such a good liner. Alright. Before I go in with mascara, we are going to use this highlight. And I'm going to put some blush on too. Let's do the blush first. I'm going to use this bad boy by Steve Laurent. We used this not long ago and it was super crazy pigmented. We're going to try again. And I'm going to do something right this time. I'm going to freaking tap it off before I go in. I do like the color of this blush. Very nice, very nice. We're gonna go in with this. I'm gonna use my finger and just tap like that because they don't like to pick up on a brush. Ooh, that's pretty. Pretty. I just don't know how I feel about the highlighter. However, the rest of it, I'm actually very happy with the eyeshadow. I don't know if you guys can really see it. It applied well. I'm really not a huge yellow person, but when you get a color like this one that goes with these greens, it brought it all together. The shade Evergreen is gorgeous. I am actually just so excited. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you like this palette? Do you think that it would be something you maybe would be interested in? Just let me know. Or were you able to snag one? Going with my H2O gloss by Tarte in the shade Sail Away. And we're going to finish the look off using my Marc Jacobs at Lashed Mascara. This came to me in a Vox box from Influencer. I don't know if you've ever heard of Influencer before, but you do reviews, and sometimes when they have campaigns, they will send you products to test. I have got some makeup, I've got some skincare, I've got some body care from them. I think I got a deodorant once. I got food once. It's pretty awesome. I'll try and remember to link it. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Please let me know in the comments below, what do you think of today's look, and do you want to see more looks with this palette? Thank you guys so much for hanging out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. I'm not going to do anything too crazy today, I hope. You never know. I might do something great. Seriously, come on now. Come on now, me. Palette. Drop something. Dropping things.